Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have the illuminated star. At night the front emblem lights up in LED. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a nice black wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping inside here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Also, this does come with navigation, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, our command center for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 30,295 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.